Okay, so for this part, we will be discussing yung method of grouping, which is related to exact equation. So one thing that you need to to remember is we can only perform or do this method if the equation is exact. So that means this is another way of solving exact equations. Okay? Remember, you can only use this if the equation is exact. If it is not exact, find a way to make it exact in order for you to use this method. Or else, if you can do that, don't use this method. Just use this if the equation is exact. Ayan. Okay, so let's say we're given this differential equation. Ayan. To solve it using method of grouping, i-check muna natin, itetest muna natin for exactness. And then after that, I will explain step by step with this example kung paano gagamitin or gagawin yung method of grouping. Okay? So, tetest muna natin for exactness. So, same lang. If you will test, ayan. So, the partial derivative of m with respect to y, so that's equal to, so that means all the x's will be constant. So, derivative ng 1 is 0. Derivative nito ay 2y. Plus, okay, x is constant. Derivative of y squared is 2y. So, that will be 2xy. Ayan. So, let's have the partial derivative of n with respect to x. Okay. So, that means all the y's will be considered constant. So, x yung i-derive natin. So, x squared, ang derivative niya ay 2x. Then, copy y. And then, y is constant. So, the derivative of y is 0. And then, plus, okay, derivative ng 2y is constant. So, x lang. So, that will be 1. So, we'll have 2y. Ayan. So, therefore, the equation is exact. Ayan. Okay? Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng method of grouping? Grouping means, ayan, sa pangalan pa lang, we are grouping the terms. Okay? So, wherein these terms are related in terms of their derivation. Okay? So, parang related actually siya sa by parts ba? Hindi. Tama. By parts at saka product rule. But anyway, product rule or quotient rule, basta tanging ang pinakaano niya is related yung derivative ng dalawa. O parang meron silang relation. Okay? Pero may mas madali namang yung madali na lang na explanation. Or yung method, or step by step, yung step na gagawin natin. So, yun na lang yung i-explain ko. Okay. So, una, gaya ng sabi ko, iti-test muna natin for exactness. Pag nakuha na natin na exact siya, okay, magpo-proceed na tayo dun sa next step. So, next step ay, class, nakikita niyo yung dx and dy. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is i-distribute niyo yung dx and dy doon sa lahat ng term. Okay? Distribute nyo lang. So, halimbawa, dx times 1. So, that will be dx. Okay, plus y squared dx. Plus x y squared dx. Distribute. And then ito, plus x squared y. Plus, ay wala yung dy. dy. Plus y dy. Plus 2xy dy. Ayan. Huwag nyo nang ilalagay yung 0. Oo. Yun lang. Distribute nyo yung mga terms. Exact siya. And then distribute nyo yung dx and dy dun sa mga terms. Ayan. So after that, we will integrate one by one. Term per term. So that means we will integrate, 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 and integrate. So, let's integrate all of them. Okay. Siyempre, kung ano yung yung dx ba siya, dy, yun yung pa-partial integration natin. So, halimbawa to, ano ang integral ng dx? Okay, so that is just x. Plus y squared dx. So, that means y squared is a constant. ang i-integrate lang natin ay yung dx. Ano ang integral ng dx? X. So magiging x y squared. Nagigets ba? Nagets ba? Okay? Can you follow? Is x1 plus. Wait, may nag-message sa akin. Okay, sige. Thank you. Integral ng, okay, so that means y squared is a constant. Ang integrate lang natin is x dx. Okay, so that will be power rule, x squared over 2 times y squared. Okay, plus, okay, ito naman ay y, ang ini-integrate natin. Okay, so therefore this is, yung x squared natin is constant. So multiply natin ng integral ng y dy. So that's y squared over 2. Okay, plus y dy. So that's y squared over 2. Okay, plus, okay, so that means 2x is constant. Ang integrate natin ay y dy. Okay, so that will be times y squared over 2. Ayan. Nakuha niyo ba? Okay, mag-simplify tayo. So ito ay cancel. Ayan. Okay, class. Kung wala kayong question, so let's proceed. Ito ang pinaka-importante. Madalas maraming nagkakamaling estudyante dito. Kaya, kailangan nyo makinig ng mabuti. Isa-isahin natin. Kasi tinawag ng method of grouping, parang meron tayong pagsasamahin. Isa-isahin natin ng term. Ito ba ay may kasama, kamukha, na term? Okay, kung wala siyang kamukha, i-retain natin siya. Yan. Okay, Serge. Okay, so nakuha ko na yan. Para hindi ko siya madoble. Next, may kamukha ba ito? Kung titignan natin, ito at saka ito, pareho sila. Tama? Yan. So, triangle. Ayan. So, plus x y squared. May kamukha. Isa lang ang kokopihin nyo, ha? Cancel nyo sila, isa lang ang kokopihin nyo. Wag nyo lalagyan ng 2. Isa lang. Kaya cancel lang natin sila. Isa lang. Kaya nga group mo yung dalawa. Mag-isa lang isa. Ito, may kamukha ba? Meron. Paano ba symbol ko? Square. Yan. At saka ito. Ayan. So, plus x squared, y squared over 2. Okay? Next, ito, wala siya kamukha, ikakopy nyo na lang. Ayan. And then, equate nyo na sa C. So, that is our general solution. So, gagawin na lang natin, simplify natin, multiply natin ng 2 para mawala yan. So, magiging 2x plus 2xy squared plus x squared y squared plus y squared is equal to C. Ayan. So, this is our general solution. Okay, may question? Okay, wala. Okay, so let's solve this example. Ayan. Okay, class, this is similar to our example earlier. Actually, this is our example earlier. Ayan. So, it's our example earlier. So, gusto ko lang natin i-solve siya using method of grouping. Ayan. Okay? So, example number 2. Ayan. Example number 2. So, same pa rin ang gagawin natin. So, we need to test for exactness. Okay, so we need to test. Ayan. Okay? So, let's have the partial derivative of m with respect to y. So, that's equal to, so this is 0, and this is 1 over y. And then the partial derivative of n with respect to x. Okay, so derivative of x is 1, so that's 1 over y. Derivative of e raised to y is 0. Okay, so therefore, it is exact. So gagawin natin susunod is, i-distribute na yung dx at saka yung dy. So distribute natin yon. So we'll have cosine x dx plus ln of y dx plus x over y dy plus e raised to y dy. Ayan. And then, ang gagawin, we integrate 1 by 1. Ayan. So, integrate natin 1 by 1. Partial integration. So, integral of cosine x dx. Okay, so that is sine x. Plus, the integral of ln y dy, but dx, but ln y is a constant. So, the integral of x dx is x. So, that's x ln of y. Okay, plus, ito medyo ano. X is constant, so ilalabas ko yung x. Ayan. Okay, so ano ang integral ng dy over y? Diba, ang dy over y is an ln. So that is ln of y. Plus, integral of e raised to y dy, it is e raised to y. Okay, so let's start grouping or selecting. So may kamukha ba ito? Wala. So we just copy sin x. May kamukha ba ito? Oo. Ito. At saka ito. So let's just copy 1. So plus x ln of y. May kamukha ba to? Wala. So plus e raised to y. That's equal to c. So this is our general solution. Kamukha niya ba yung sagot natin kanina? Hindi ko alam. Tingnan natin. Okay. Ang sagot natin kanina ay ayan. Same lang naman. Okay. May question? May question ba kayo? Ayan. Kung wala na yung question, so that's it for today. So we will have more examples on Friday. Ayan. Okay. Okay, ano ba yung magiging advantage? Para lang sa akin, ano ba yung advantage ng first at saka yung second? Siyempre, mas madali yung method of grouping. Tama ba? Sandali. Hinihintay ko yung mga nagtatype. Siyempre, mas madali yung method of grouping. Kaya lang, ang ano ng method of grouping is mapapalaban kayo sa pag-i-integrate. Meron kasing mga, kahit exact sila, medyo mahirap silang i-integrate. Okay? Kaya, ang nagiging advantage naman ng exact method, yung exact equation methods, ay hindi lahat kasi ay i-integrate mo. Meron kang choice kung ano yung i-integrate mo. Pipili ka between M and N kung ano yung i-integrate mo. Kung hindi ka masyadong confident sa pag-i-integrate, pumunta ka dun sa method na yon kasi may choice ka. Pagdating kasi dito sa method of grouping, wala kang choice. I-integrate mo lahat. Term per term, lahat ay i-integrate mo. Meron kasi mga terms na medyo mahirap silang i-integrate. Kaya yun yung isang nagiging advantage ng isang method. Pero syempre, kung titimbangin natin in terms of length at saka pagiging madali, syempre, mas madali pa rin yung second. Yun nga lang, puro kayo nag-i-integrate. Okay? May iba pa question? May question pa ba? Ayan, may nag-question. Sir, may activity. Isaiah, sorry, sinabi yung pangalan mo. In-unpublish ko na. Wala pa akong sinabing activity ninyo. So, tinanggal ko muna siya. Okay?